no pictures. Yeah, it's gonna like orange.
Hi. You don't want to say hi? Okay.
Hi guys.
Kaden doesn't want to say hi, but look, Izzy does. Hi, Izzy.
Hi.
You don't want to say hi, Kaden?
Hi. Hi.
You see you.
Yeah.
Look at y'all in the mirror. Oh, y'all look
What's up? What's up? What's
Yo, y'all are funny. We just waiting on some pizza because we are all very hungry. So I ordered some quick Little Caesars before we head back up the road. And once we get back to the area, I will probably see if I can get like any like side gigs, you know, like DoorDash, Uber Eats. Don't be throwing my stuff. So we just waiting until the pizza's done. We're gonna head up the road. Cause I have a headache. I ate today. And it is, what time is it? It's like 2 o'clock. So I'm hungry. So we're still waiting for the pizza. He said it was not quite done yet. But how long does pizza take? We've been sitting here for a good minute. I am hungry. I'm ready to get back up the road, and the kids are too. Oh, look, here he comes. Okay, y'all. So we got the pizza. Caden's about to go back and get in his seat. The girls are in their seat. Once the pizza cools down, I will hand it to y'all. But right now, the pizza is really freaking hot, okay? Like, it's hot. I'm not going to give y'all pizza while it's hot, okay? Everybody heard me?
Yeah.
So, go get your seat, Caden. I need my phone to find the, to find home. We're going to head back up the road. Once the pizza cools down, we will eat. Okay? Everybody heard me? Okay. Let's head back up the road. We got an hour and change. So, let's go.
Oh, there's the cat.
Y'all, it's snowing. Look at this. Look, it's snowing, y'all. As you can tell, they are having fun in it. It's snowing, y'all. Oh my gosh. I just said I wanted a snow day earlier. Like, I was like, I hope it snows. And it's snowing. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. It's snowing, y'all. It's really snowing. It's freezing. Like, it's really cold. But it's snowing.
The next day.
So we're out grocery shopping because we're supposed to get like a snowstorm on Monday.
Hi guys.
And tell me why everybody's doing the same thing, because it is literally packed. There's nothing in stock. So I'm gonna get what I need and we're gonna go. It is literally packed today. So, your nose itchy? What happened? You okay? Oh, you hit your nose right there. So bad, y'all. Ooh, chicken strips. You want chicken strips? Make y'all some chicken strips. There is literally nothing in here, y'all. I'm talking about these shelves are completely empty. Like, some chicken strips. Chicken. I like chicken, right? Get some chicken. Watch out. This is what we have so far. She's just picking a snack. You want that one?
Yes.
Alright, you're not gonna be eating all the snacks, okay? So, let me get, Caden's like Pringles. So I'm gonna get him some of these for school.
Mama.
Yes.
I will get on my 2 and my 4.
So it was literally so freaking packed in the grocery store because, like I said, we're supposed to have a snowstorm on, I think, Monday to Tuesday. And everybody who was in there was literally saying they're trying to stack up before the snowstorm. And I'm just gonna say today was literally a day I was not prepared because, one, I was pregnant. Eating chocolate. I brought Izzy because she's the only one that wanted to come with me. And the other two wanted to stay. Well, Lily, she was sleeping. And Kaden, he wanted to stay with his dad. So I left them with their dad. And Izzy came with me. And let me tell you, bad freaking choice. Because it was literally packed. There was nothing on the shelf. People were upset and rushing. And I'm like, oh goodness. Thank goodness I didn't have all three with me, because I would have been in there mad myself. Like, there was literally no meats. They kept bringing out meats and people just kept grabbing them. So the shelves like stayed empty. I grabbed what I could, what my kids would eat meat-wise. I grabbed like some snacks because Kaden go back to school next week, so I wanted him to have some snacks for school. Now I'm headed back home because it's cold and I'm tired and I'm hurting. Yes, baby.
The next day.
Good morning. It is Monday. We had our little snowstorm, so there are no lights, no heat. So we are about to walk up to my mom's because they have a fire, like a wood stove, so they have heat. So we're about to go up there and letting the kids pick out their snacks. We're gonna walk so that the kids can play in the snow while we're walking up there, because I don't want them out in the snow too long because it's too cold. So now everybody need coats. Everybody gotta grab coats. See how there's no lights, no lights at all, and it's cold. I'm trying. I can't. I fell down. Y'all, I done wholeheartedly just fell. Like, it's like snow with ice on top. So freaking slippery.
2 hours later.
You can't, it's ice. Don't throw that at nobody, okay? Don't pick it up, Izzy. You don't have anything on your hands. I told you your hands are cold now, huh? So y'all, it is now like 3, I think, almost. I'm walking back home. Hey y'all. Oh look, it's turning. Look, it's watching me. Hey y'all. He threw snow at me. It is cold. snowy, icy. Letting them play in the yard for a little. Izzy, you want me to zip your coat?
Mom, she loves us.
Okay. Two of them got socks on their hands because they lost their gloves. I had to get them some more gloves. They just throwing snow around, running around, laying in it. Ooh. And I am tired and ready to go in the house, but they're not. So I'm going to stay out here with them. What? Throw her a snowball. Throw her a snowball. Hey, Zena, girl. Don't jump on me. Throw her one. She eating the snow. Make a snowball and throw it. Call her. Say, Zena. Throw it. Go get it. Go get the ball, girl. Go get it. Go get it. Go in the house.
Zena.
Why are you playing with that? Look, throw it.
Bam!
Lily over there making a snow castle. It's cute. Hi, Lily. Why are your shoes on the wrong feet? Okay. You enjoying the snow? Yeah. Y'all see her snow castle? That's cute, girl. Let's go check out Izzy's because she's making one too. Yes, she is. See, that's hers. Look at hers. Good job, Izzy. Zena, don't mess up her snow castle. Look, she eating the snow. Throw it. Oh my goodness, look at all that ice on the trees. Hit it and watch it fall. You want to hear it? Watch this. Ice. See? That's not glass, that's ice. Look, Zena's trying to eat it.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today.